No, I can see the house, but you can't see who's in there. You can't see. It says it's the easiest.
Bigger than me?
I don't know. Shit.
I don't want to think like that while I'm in here.
Yeah.
I'll jump on that house.
Right? Just go.
I'll go in that bitch.
So guys, we're walking a trail today. It's called the Cape Florida State Park. Cape Florida State Park. Iguana. You know I'm bougie, so anything I hear, I'm like. Anywho, are we going in there or is out here?
There's
What are the two? You just said two.
if you wanted, we could have walked back and we could have went in there.
To come
But
out?
I haven't been in there.
Oh.
So I don't know. The last time I came, I walked right here.
Oh, well, this is what we're walking out, and then you see the sea right there. The ocean. Oh, yeah. Took it out so I could download the Insta 360 for this one. I wonder why they closed there. That's the thing. These iguanas ain't got no chill.
Each bench is like dedicated to
A resting station?
like someone who bought it.
Oh. Yeah. Something had to happen. I said something had to happen. This giving like cruise.
Oh yeah, when you go look at it, it's really nice.
I did a nice fish and play that back. I wonder where the boats go. Like, if you want to come boat here, does it matter?
I think there's another side. You know, when we walk in, it was like another side of the park.
Yeah.
They had a part where you could rent kayaks over there too, by the beach. It's here. I was like, this park is very underrated. I was feeling like, wouldn't it just be going to crazy?
It says it's the easiest. Yeah, so this is gonna be the easiest trail.
Well, this is easy. This is going to mangrove.
The mangrove? That's the hardest one? Okay. I look at the plane. It's so nice.
Huh?
The plane. Oh, it already disappeared in the sky. It's like when you get to here.
Let me tell you, when you get in here, you're gonna be like, what is city?
City?
That's what you're gonna say. What is city? What is the world? It's just you and God.
At this point.
We got signal.
Oh, there's no signal?
There is signal.
Oh, I was like,
When I had got deep in there, I was like, if I get lost, not Tamara?
Send your ETA. Alright, but this is supposed to be the easiest trail, so this is what we're walking. Wish us luck. Because which way do we go?
You keep going straight.
Oh, does it make you do a circle?
Yeah, you go like that. But this right here,
look what it says. Y'all see what it says? Danger, people. That fish was huge.
that's a lot.
There's a lot of fishes. Look at them. Oh, look at them jump. Oh yeah. Oh, big. This one was here with this one.
The trail's starting to get a little
narrow.
That's the word?
Widen, narrow.
Oh, okay.
Wider, narrow.
Oh, okay. I ain't got no first.
Why you put me in the front?
Alright, you want to be in front?
No. And then half of them ain't got no tail.
What that mean?
They probably got chopped in the
You think something is eating them? Like bigger than them?
I don't know. Shit.
I don't want to think like that while I'm in here. So these are the mangroves. Basically, there's water here. Like that lake.
Mm-hmm.
Or whatever.
Oh, the lake that's connected to the mangrove.
That's we behind the mangrove, basically. He's busy about something.
They look like Jurassic Park.
Look at you. And you saw that little thing right there. Oh, you have to be quiet.
Hmm? You already did it. Yeah.
Just think, the reward is the beach.
That's it. It's not food.
It's just
Leave me alone. That's why I got the things.
You doing all these curves and shit is pissing me off.
Why? I don't even know where I'm going. I'm supposed to go that way.
This is the trail. This is the trail. Okay, so
End of the trail. This is, let's see. It's the water though. Quiet. That's how I like it.
we should have bought our camping chairs.
Camping chair. Who was It's really with me. We back. Who was there? Unless we had like she wanted to camp so bad. When I wanted to camp a few back, she's looking at me crazy. Now I'm gonna leave her. Anyway, this is our little trail we walk in. Your girl is hot. You guys, we got to the lighthouse and it was closed. But we'll come back next time. It's alright.
We gotta come early.
Yeah, it's from 10 to 12. So next time we'll come earlier. Super hot, man. It's currently 1:59, actually 2 o'clock. So now we're gonna just head to the beach. We did bring beach clothes, but I'm just gonna go in here like this because I just don't feel like taking everything off. But I do have my shorts on. It's so beautiful out here. Yeah. Look at the little mini. Can y'all see the mini houses on the ocean? I don't think y'all could. The camera not doing it justice. But we're gonna do this walk. I don't think y'all can't see it from here. The houses, they're small. The water looks so good. Like you somewhere out in the island, bro. Islander. Alrighty.
We like beach trails.
This is the beach trail for real. Hey, ooh.
building on the line. See the island building?
Oh, yeah. I wonder what it's at. I'm like, where is that?
I'll jump on your house.
Right? Just go
I'll
see.
go in that place.
I'm pretty sure everybody with a boat go past by and see what's
And they
going
slow down and see.
like what's going on.
But I wonder if they actually go in it.
It's like a secret thing. Somebody on TikTok got to tell us.
Cause I ain't got no boat. I ain't got no jet ski. Cause everybody literally slows down right there. And just cruise.
Somebody was fishing.
Probably still are.
There go y'all, the lighthouse. We'll come back next time. Oh, it's so nice on camera.
Yeah. You should see the other side. It looks really good. But it says open. That's what. See, that's why I thought it was open.
Oh, because it says 9 p.m. The lighthouse compound. But it says only twice a day, 10 to 12. Sorry, there is no tours Tuesday or Wednesday. So we can't come Tuesday or Wednesday. Today's
There are
Tuesday.
no tours.
Oh, there's no tours Tuesday or Wednesday. That's the lighthouse. Yo, it's right there. I feel like I'm at the end of Key West for real.
That's what I told you. It feels like you.
See if we can see. What we trying to see? You can't even see.
You gotta move it.
No, I can see the house, but you can't see. You can't see who's in there. You can't see. Can't see one person walking at all. I can't see one person walking at all. But this is what I'm looking at. Trying to be nosy. The different houses out in the sea. Interesting. Alrighty. Let's head to the beach. Let's head to the beach. What? I was trying to see if I saw somebody walking, but you can't see them. That sucks. Be careful. We don't got no chairs.
That's what I'm saying. Did you want to bring the blanket?
No. Okay. Just gonna get in the water.
It's funny as stuff.
If it's cold.
I don't know what it is.
Oh. It does. But when you going up there, it's...
But then again, maybe I'm over exaggerating. I just have my glasses. Everything.
We need a tent like that.
Everything felt huge.
Oh, we gotta pay? Oh no, you pay for the umbrella insurance. $6.30. Yeah. Lighthouse. We're gonna be close to the lighthouse. Yeah.
So we need a tent like that.
Yeah.
It's not even a tent, it's a tarp.
Tarp tent. Or something like that.
It's not something like that. I think you need the tarp. It is so hot.
It is. I mean, we are leaving the beach, which was so nice. The water was so good. We shall come back next time. Yay! Oh, this thing is spicy. I took my shoes off, so the sand is spicy. It's like walking on hot lava. ice cream truck reach all the way over there, or it's been there?
It was there.
Oh.
Walked.
That thing was so hot. I don't know how the how you call them? The iguanas be running in the sand. But that was a great beach day. Quick little nature walk, beach day, all that. I enjoyed it. Alright, let's go rinse up. You gonna turn on? Or I just gonna turn on? Okay. Alright. Hmm?